Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You're starting a post that needs a clickable link. Open Twitter and sign into the account you want to use. Once done, decide whether you're linking to a web page, another tweet, a profile, or a hashtag. That choice affects phrasing and preview. Paste the full URL into the composer. Make sure it starts with https:// so Twitter recognizes it. If the URL is unwieldy, shorten it now to save characters and keep text readable. You've pasted the URL. Now watch for Twitter's automatic preview and image pull. This tells you how the link will appear. While the preview loads, edit the surrounding text to give context and a clear call to action, and add 1 or 2 relevant hashtags to increase discovery. Make sure your wording sits naturally around the link because Twitter's co-wrapper still counts toward your character budget. Trim other text if needed to keep clarity and impact. You're ready to post. Confirm the preview looks right and that the link target is accessible, then hit tweet. Once posted, verify the link opens correctly by testing it on another device or in an incognito window. Make sure the destination loads and any images or meta tags display as expected. If the preview fails or the link is broken, remove and repaste the URL, clear app cache, or use a different URL shortener. That usually fixes metadata or preview issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.